you.
Thank you. Oh, wow. You also bless people when they cough? It's like a thing that I feel a lot of my deadbeats do. They bless me when I cough, and I'm like, you don't need to do that.
Puts my mouth over yours.
Whoa there. Hang on. Can we
Which
get
one
dinner
should
first?
I be doing?
My goodness.
I will
Gigi.
take your cough. Please,
Gigi.
please.
At least let's get dinner first. My goodness.
Oh, okay, let's get dinner, and then I will do that. I will put my mouth over yours.
No. We can talk about it. As in, like, we get dinner, and then we talk about that afterward.
Okay. But if you cough, I definitely will be putting my mouth over yours.
I just don't really think that's necessary. Like, a box of tissues would be good. I don't know.
I will catch it.
You don't need to do that.